Hey, Phonak offers a diverse lineup of hearing aids, ranging from powerful behind-the-ear models for severe hearing loss to discreet in-the-ear models. What sets Phonak apart is its platform technology approach, which achieves significant improvements with every generation. This guide explains why Phonak is the best hearing aid choice as follows. 1. Advanced technology and connectivity. Phonak hearing aids are equipped with cutting-edge technology that delivers unrivaled sound quality and a variety of connectivity options. The latest hearing aid models feature Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to stream audio directly from smartphones, tablets, and other devices. This feature enables you to enjoy phone calls, music, and other media without the need for additional accessories. Phonak's AutoSense OS technology automatically adjusts hearing aid settings to suit changing environments. 2. Health data tracking. Phonak is a leader in integrating health and well-being features into hearing aids. Through built-in sensors, Phonak hearing aids can track various health indicators, such as physical activity levels and heart rate. This health data tracking capability allows users to monitor their daily activity levels and overall health status using a connected smartphone app. The My Phonak app provides a comprehensive overview of health data, enabling users to set exercise goals and track their progress. 3. Comfort and customization. Phonak hearing aids are designed with user comfort and customization in mind. Available in various styles: behind the ear, BTE, in the canal, RIC, and in the canal, ITE. Phonak hearing aids allow users to choose a design that suits their preferences and lifestyle. Furthermore, Phonak hearing aids offer customizable features that can be tailored to the user's hearing needs. 4. Rechargeable solutions. Phonak offers rechargeable hearing aids that eliminate the hassle of constantly replacing disposable batteries. With convenient charging solutions, you can use the device all day on a single charge. This not only saves time and money, but also contributes to more sustainable and eco-friendly hearing aid usage. Phonak provides various charging options to suit different hearing aid models. Using the latest technology chargers, you can charge your hearing aids in just a few minutes and use them for several hours. Users can enjoy an excellent hearing experience for extended periods. 5. Waterproof design. One of the biggest advantages of Phonak hearing aids is their waterproof design. Some Phonak models are designed to withstand contact with water, making them ideal for active users who enjoy swimming or outdoor activities. The waterproof feature not only protects the hearing aids from splashes and rain, but also provides peace of mind for users with active lifestyles. Thanks to the waterproof design, users can continue their daily activities without worrying about damage to their hearing aids. Let's talk about Phonak hearing aid. Pricing. As with other prescription hearing aids, the price of Phonak hearing aids varies by clinic. Lower-tech models cost under $2,000 per pair, while higher-tech models range from $5,000 to $8,000 per pair. If purchased through Hearing Tracker's partner network, the latest Infinio or Infinio Sphere models cost between $2,498 and $4,398 per pair. Well, Phonak hearing aids are industry-leading and boast a price range to match. They provide excellent sound quality and connect to all Bluetooth-enabled mobile phones regardless of manufacturer or model. Additionally, they offer a diverse lineup of accessories for those who struggle with ambient noise or find hearing aids alone insufficient. However, if the price is a concern, or you prefer to purchase hearing aids exclusively online, we recommend looking into Ergo, Lexi, or MD Hearing. Overall, Phonak offers a diverse range of hearing aid products for patients with severe hearing loss or users seeking rechargeable or Bluetooth-enabled hearing aids capable of streaming music, audio, and calls.